Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus Nord N20 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone. It got released April 28th. So this is a new smartphone for Metro by T-Mobile. This phone's also available on T-Mobile as well. So we're looking at the Metro version in this video. So this is an update over the OnePlus Nord N10 that Metro and T-Mobile got last year. So let's go ahead and check out the Nord N20 by OnePlus. Alright. So y'all guys can see the phone right there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. It has 5G, of course. That's the main selling point of this phone, that it has 5G on it. 6.43 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. 64 megapixel triple camera system. So that's very nice. So there's the phone right there. I can't spin it or nothing to do. Show you guys around the phone. If you guys want to get front and back shots of the phone, this is your best shot right here of the phone. So yeah, the OnePlus Nord N20 is now available for $289.99. That's full retail price. Or if you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys can get this phone for $69.99. So that is pretty cool. Something both for this phone, it's not bad. And yeah, it says here, immerse yourself in all your favorite movies, TV shows, and video games with Nord N20's 5G's 6.43 inch AMOLED Full HD plus display. The phone also includes a sleek in-display fingerprint sensor, all of the performance, power, and storage you will need to run and store your favorite content, and with its 33-watt fast charging, the N20 5Gs will always keep you connected and back on your feet. Additionally, you can capture every moment with clarity with a powerful 64 megapixel main camera sensor. The OnePlus Nord N20 5G packs all the performance, power, and storage you'll need to run and store your favorite content at select Metro by T-Mobile stores. Alright, so yeah, that's not really much. Metro has been slacking on their phones in terms of like the website and stuff, so it's not much to it here. So that's probably a quick video. So the specs on this phone has a 4500 mAh battery. The standby time says 2.18 days. That's kind of weird. Battery talk time 33 hours. It takes a USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, of course. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It runs Oxygen OS. 11 has Android 11 on board, so you'll get Android 11 on here, so to keep in mind. I know that's a bit outdated, but it is what it is, guys. You'll get Android 11 on here, which is up to you if you guys want to get this phone or not. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM, micro SD card expansion up to 512 gigabytes, and I think it has 60. It don't say the storage. I think it's 64 gigabytes. It's either 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage. It don't say it nowhere on here. You do get 5G, of course, supported email platforms, hearing their compatibilities, wireless emergency alert, mobile hotspot, cameras. You get 64 megapixel triple camera system, 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Yeah, it's not much specs on this phone because Metro, they just slack on the website now, so you really don't get much information on it. If you guys want to get the full specs on this phone, I will try to get the full specs from the OnePlus website. I'll try to get that link down below if you guys want to get the full specs on the Nord N20, because Metro is slacking in that department. They do got some cases and accessories for the Nord N20 here on Metro's website. Y'all guys can go to Amazon and try to get them there for cheaper, and y'all guys will have more selection. So yeah, I mean, I think it has 64 gigabytes of storage. It's either 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of storage. it doesn't say what storage option it is. So the specs are bare bones at best on the Metro website, but like I said, I will try to find the full official specs on the Nord N20 from OnePlus's website. I'll try to put that in the description box. So yeah, guys, the OnePlus Nord N20 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $289.99 for retail price, or $69.99 if you guys switch to Metro. So it's worth checking out. It is a very nice looking phone. It does have pretty good specs on it, but Metro slacks in the website area because they don't list up features and none of that shit. So Metro's been slacking on that. I don't know who does this for Metro, the website shit, but they need to fix their shit or get fired, because they don't show no features, no specs at all, not really, but you know. So anyways, guys, so there you guys have the OnePlus Nord N20 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.